Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into Gmail in a browser. This process is faster and shows all options. Once signed in, click your profile icon, then select Manage your Google account to reach personal info. You need to verify your identity if prompted, enter your password, or use two-step verification. Make sure you're editing the account owner name, not a label or signature. That distinction matters because the display name is controlled in personal info, while signatures are separate. You'll now edit the display name. In personal info, tap name, then the pencil icon to change first and last fields. Type the name exactly as you want recipients to see it. Avoid unusual special characters since Google may flag them. Once you press save, the system updates your profile across Gmail and other Google services. This can take a few minutes. If you use multiple accounts, repeat the steps for each. Otherwise, your outgoing emails will reflect the new display name soon. Finish by sending a quick test email to another account so you can confirm how the new name appears to recipients. If you do not see the change, clear your browser cache or open an incognito window and check again. Sometimes the old value is cached. Make sure you haven't hit Google's name change limit and verify there are no account restrictions. If problems persist, contact Google support, provide a screenshot, and explain the steps you already tried for faster help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.